In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control your in-game chat privacy settings. If you've ever been distracted by random messages or just want tighter control over who can contact you while you play, this quick walkthrough will help you set things exactly the way you like, and it works right from inside the game. Start by looking at the chat box while you're in a game session. You'll usually see a small menu icon attached to the chat area, often 3 dots. That's the control we're after. Click those 3 dots or whatever menu icon appears in your chat box. This opens a compact menu dedicated to chat options, so you don't have to back out of your match or dig through full settings. If your chat box is minimized, hover over or click the chat area so the menu icon becomes visible, then open it. Next, select Game Chat. This takes you directly to the chat controls that affect the current game you're in. It's important to note that you're not changing your whole account's communication settings here. These options are scoped to the game session, which is especially useful if different games require different levels of communication. For example, a competitive team match might need open communication while a solo session might not. Now choose how you want people to reach you. If you pick the option that requires a chat request, other players will need to send a request before messages come through. This adds a layer of control so you can decide when to engage without blocking everyone outright. If you set it to friends only, only people you've added as friends will be able to message you in this game, which is great if you're coordinating with a known group and want to filter out unknown players. And if you choose nobody, you'll stop incoming messages for this game entirely. Ideal for focused practice, content recording, or simply playing in peace without interruptions. As you confirm your choice, most games apply the setting right away for the current session. You can revisit the same chat menu at any time if your needs change mid-match. A quick tip, think about your goal before you pick. If you're teaming up and need fast callouts, friends only or chat requests might strike a balance. If you're avoiding distractions or moderating your on-screen content, nobody is the cleanest option. That's all there is to it. Open the chat menu via the 3 dots, go to Game Chat, and pick the level of access that fits your play. Enjoy your game with the chat exactly how you want it, and I'll see you in the next one.